y'all, thanks for joining today. My name's Katie and I'm going to show you how to sum your data today. There's 3 ways to do it: slow, a little bit faster, and then mastering Excel like a pro. The first way you're going to do it, you're going to hit your equals and you're going to add your debits to your credits with a plus sign. So you can simply select every single cell. You can take this, double click, and flash fill it down. A little bit faster. So within your formulas tab in your top ribbon, there's a auto sum. So you can be in the cell you want your sum. So you'll click in it and then hit auto sum and it'll bring up the formula. You'll hit enter and then you can flash fill that down. In the last way and the best way to do it, select all of your columns that you want totaled and you can hit alt equal and it automatically sums it for you. So you can see that it works vertically there. It also works horizontally. If I select these cells down here in our second table, hit alt equal, and it automatically fills it in. It also works horizontally and vertically at the exact same time. I'm going to select my cells, hit alt equal, and there you have it. A quick way to sum your data. Make sure you use alt equal and like this video, subscribe, and add any comments below of any additional videos you want to see.